Looking at my face in the bathroom glass, something's creeping underneath my skin. The veins are turning black, time is moving fast. I can barely recognize what I've been. My hands are shaking now, scratching at my jaw. There's a hunger building deep inside my core. Can't remember when I last felt warm. Just watching as my features start to transform. My reflection's fading away. Everything I was yesterday is decaying, decaying. My reflection's fading away. Pounding in my head, but my pulse is dead. Every window shows me something new. The rot is setting in, spreading through my flesh, and my eyes are turning milky blue. I scratch until I bleed, but I can't feel pain. The hunger's getting stronger by the hour. Looking in the glass one final time before I let this thing take all its